babies doing today? So this video is gonna be an Amazon haul video. So it is just a culmination of things that I have purchased myself and things that I got off of my wish list. So I know some of you guys would have purchased some of the items from my wish list, so I just want to take the time out to say thank you guys so much. If you did, I really appreciate it. When I get the stuff, if you left a note, it doesn't tell me anything. I just get the stuff, so I don't know who it's from. So I just wanted to take this time to say thank you guys. I appreciate it. So this haul is predominantly home stuff, so like home decor, just home related things. And even though I moved in quite a bit of time ago, quite a long time ago, I am still in the process of furnishing and decorating my house to make it feel more homey, and that is something that I have had to come to terms with. It's just that it takes time. Like, you're not gonna, well, not for me at least, like you don't just move in and bam, everything's decorated or furnished, or maybe that's a me problem, who knows. But I'm just telling you guys my experience. So here are just some stuff that I got to make my house feel like home. So let's get into the haul. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is one of the very first things that I got from my wish list, and I was just like, ah, somebody bought me something, oh my god, that's amazing. Oh my god. But yes, it is this Eat, Pray, Love sign. So it is a wooden sign, and it has this white graffiti, I don't know if it's graffiti, like splash back, y'all can see it. And it says Eat, Pray, Love, and it just goes perfectly with my kitchen, and y'all can tell already just by looking at it. And if you watch any of my kitchen videos, then you know, like, perfect. If you have watched my clean with me video where I clean my kitchen, and if you haven't, you should. I've been told it's real therapeutic, it's real nice, it's real fun, you should watch it. But anyways, in that video I kind of told you guys that I hate mopping. Like, me just don't like it. So getting a Swiffer WetJet was high on my list of things to buy, so I got one. And I got a bunch of backup stuff for it too, to make sure that I get longevity out of it. So I bought the pack, and the pack comes with like its own little solution and 10 pads. So I bought 10 more pads. Is it 10? Oh, this is 20. So I bought 20 more pads, and these are heavy duty because y'all know how dusty in Jamaica, or at least my house dusty as hell. So cleaning is particularly difficult, and I got some extra cleaning solution. Oh, that's bad. Some extra cleaning solution, so that when the one that comes with the mop finish, I have more and I can just go and use it and enjoy life and stop using mop. So to be honest, the item that I really wanted was like one of those vacuums that does heat and can mop your floors with heat and all of those things, but it was so expensive, and y'all know how customs is. Your girl could not afford it, so this was a nice affordable alternative. It's not great, but it is definitely an alleviation of using a mop to some extent. So in my last Spend a Day with Me vlog, you guys would have seen me buy my first real plant, but before that I decided to pick up some faux plants for my bathroom, because I just feel like having plants in your bathroom just brings so much life to it. So I picked up this 3-piece set of eucalyptus plants, and they are so pretty. I mean, I don't know if they look real, but they look pretty, and that's okay. So it is a 3-piece set. I just think they're so adorable. I think they look great once I zhuzh up my bathroom and everything's in it, and these will just be so perfect in there. So the next item that I picked up is also a piece for my bathroom, and I just thought it would be nice and adorable. So it is like a planter pot, and it comes with this ceramic vase in it, and then you can put whatever you want, real plants, fake plants, nothing at all, the decorative stuff. but I think it would look so nice in my bathroom, so I picked this up. Actually picked up 2 of them, and I just think they are so perfect with the black rim and the white base and then the little rustic wooden bottoms. 10 out of 10 recommend. And then the next thing that I picked up for my bathroom is this squeegee. So no, I'm not gonna turn a windscreen wiper. I'm not gonna beg you for some small change, but I would do it with manners. So would you pay me though? So I got this for my bathroom as well, just to wipe down the tiles, wipe down the glass. Because when I do it with like a rag or newspaper, and if you're Jamaican, you know, say use newspaper, wipe glass and mirror and them thing there, it don't clean. It don't as clean as I want it be. So this had amazing reviews on Amazon, and it's also on my wish list. So thank you to the person that got it. So the next item from my wish list is this acrylic makeup stand. Is that stand? Makeup organizer. So it's perfect for like your compacts, like your small bronzers, and in your smaller size palettes. And I kind of started off getting acrylic clear things for my makeup, so I wanted everything to match, and then this just goes perfectly. The next item is a tech item, but it also came from my wish list, and it is this Google Home Wi-Fi. Now, truth be told, I've had this for a few weeks and I still have not set it up. Why? I don't know, because the internet at my house is tragic. So hopefully this helps a lot, so I'm really looking forward to plugging it in. So the next item that I got off my wish list is like a 2-tiered stand, and I thought it was really nice, and I liked it because it could work in multiple rooms in my house. So I haven't actually like set it up yet. It's just a big box of pieces, which is kind of intimidating. So I haven't assembled it, but I'll insert a photo of what it should look like, and I think it'll look great in any room that I put it in. So that's the next item. So those are all of the Amazon stuff that I got, but I did buy lots of other things from different merchants, so I'm just gonna add them to the haul as well. So I have been looking for a tray for my bathroom for the longest while, and the nice trays are super expensive. I found some on Amazon that I liked. I didn't really love them, but they were also pretty expensive. So I was just like, why don't I go to my homegirl Walmart? You know, like I used to love Walmart because you could get a lot of the things on Amazon there for cheaper sometimes. So I went on it and I was looking for one, and I found this mirrored tray, and y'all, it is amazing. It is heavy, so it feels like quality. I love the edging. The mirror in it is crystal clear. It is a 3/16" mirror in it, so it's not like a fanky nothing. So you can put like proper things in here, and honestly, it was only $14, which is way cheaper than any, and I do mean any, tray that I would have seen on Amazon or anywhere else for that matter. So it was a steal. But Walmart only gives you free shipping over $35, and this was $14, and you're gonna want it free shipping. Even though shipping would have not brought me to $35, but you know, the word free makes you do things, okay? So I just picked up a bunch of stuff to go along with it, which include just these command hooks, so that when I do get more of my decorative pieces, I can just hang them because I have these already. So that's great for me. I also got just these cotton rounds because I like to use them when I wear eye makeup, even though I haven't worn any eye makeup in a while. But I like to use them to help me take off my makeup sometimes. So I got these actually, and then I got this plug-in as well because I like to have these just all around the house to make it keep the house feeling fresh. And so this is just a Gain plug-in, Gain Febreze. It's a Febreze plug-in, Gain scented. So that's just something that I picked up. And remember how I told you guys that I got these stuff just to make up the free shipping? They sent these in 3 different packages. So I got played. Your girl got played. I got the tray separate. I got this and this, these in all separate boxes. So when they came to Jamaica to pay for them 3 times. Do you know how upsetting that is? When you only bought them just so you could get free shipping. I played myself, but that's okay. I take my L and I move on. So those are all the things that I picked up from Walmart. So I also picked up a few beauty items. So I got some body splashes from Victoria's Secret. These damn kids. I got these body splashes from Victoria's Secret, and I prefer Victoria's Secret body mist to Bath and Body Works by 10 million. I just feel like these are way stronger and they have better scented options. And I also got this coconut oil and citrus scented body lotion, which should be moisturizing. So these are stuff that I picked up from Victoria's Secret. So from Shop Me Say, I paid $1 for all of these things. I picked up some lashes. I bought a bunch of Korean face masks, from vitamin C to bubbly collagen mask, a whole thing. I picked up some mud masks. Like, this whole thing is $1, y'all. Like, Shop Me Say, it's where you need to be when you want some cheap skincare and all them jazz. Anyways, I got this stand for my beauty blender because I find that it just bounces around in my brush holder and I don't like that. I also got a nice little brush cleaner and some stuff for when I'm doing eyeshadow. And they sell masks. So they have these little masks that are also $1. Y'all know masks are a new way of life right now. I have nothing else to add about that. So it's just this little pullover mask, and it was $1, and I think that was a good deal. So those are the stuff that I got from Shop Miss A, and those are all of my beauty related stuff that I got. Alright guys, those are all the items that I have to share with you that I picked up from various stores. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these types of hauls, you know, home beauty related stuff. I mostly only show you guys just like outfits and clothes. So if this is something that you'd like to see, let me know, because I will be buying a lot more stuff as I furnish and decorate my house. So let me know in the comments. Also let me know in the comments which of these items you would like, you'd want to pick up, you know, all of that. I will leave the links in the description if you're interested in purchasing any of the items, so it's easier for you. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe now. And Leilani says bye, so it's time for me to say see you in the next one. Bye.